Whoa! Holy! What in the world?
Yeah. You gotta take a bath though, okay? You have to. No, you're faking. You're fake sleeping. No.
Clearly the trash can didn't work.
Wait! What's the ball? 2250.
Mira cómo juega escondite. No mira el hijo de la chingada. Stop harassing me.
Vete. ¡Oh, mami! Blue, what are you doing?
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog.
Lupi, me vas a romper mi calcetín.
I love you. Happy Gotcha Day, Stella. Love you. Yes.
This dog is living his best life. Little businessman!
I can't stop laughing at him.
Buzzle!
I don't think I've ever seen anything like this in my entire fucking life. All done.
How scared she must have felt in those final moments. How she probably died feeling.
Onde é que tu vai com essa calcinha?
Oh, buddy. I know. I won't be long. You're gonna be fine. Mom's right here inside. I'll be back before dinner, promise. Love you too. Let go, big guy.
Friends.
She leading us back home, y'all.
Are you okay? What the fuck?
A brincadeira aqui das crianças. Ó.
dogs know how to enjoy life.
Jumped in. Why do I just jump in? Oh, you spitting dog.
The smallest little piece of wood that he could find me to throw for him. He wants me to throw it, and I can't. She's like, come on, let's run. Gets the hog. Hog.
That makes it not give a crunch.
Yo, what do I do if my dog just start walking on 2 feet? What do I do? Because I'm not fit. Something ain't right about that.
He do that all the time.
No, something ain't right. The way he just walked behind me.
I should tell you what to convince.
That's it.
Really, Ghost? Really? You don't know who that is?
Hello.
So you don't think they're cute?
Who? Or do you love me? Which one is it? Pooh? Or me? Me? I love you. Damn.
Are you okay? Huh?
Did you find a ball? Did you find a ball? Yes, you did.
dancing.
Move it! Oh my! How does he remember how to do that?
It is so pain glad. Even Harper wants a bit. Go on, go.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Draco.
Hey, more passion, more passion, more passion, more energy, more energy, more footwork, more footwork, more footwork.
This is what we call happiness. You could only dream of being this happy. You could only dream of knowing this much.
Flower, come here. All right, we're taking the puppy on a little walk today. Oh my God, he's peeing on me.
He's like, it's my pillow. Get off of it. Get off my pillow.
First one I've ever seen. All of the technology on it. It looks like through airport security. 3 airports. He's downloaded flight information. He first shows up.
Hey, no Tuffy, no Tuffy. Oh.
What the fuck?
Want some cookies? Okay.
White. Okay.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see, I see.
Cardi, smile. Smile, girl. Say cheese. Yay.
Oh, what? How big shot is that?
Gentle. Wait. Wait. Gentle.
Did you enjoy your dinner? Got some food on your chin. I love you.
No penis, no.
Y'all better come up here and get one of these.
What's that?
It's a chicken salad.
From where?
81st Deli.
Yes, hey.
Shake, Sheldon.
Stella. It's just a star. Good girl. Come in. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Flip over it.
Second to their partner. But in return, marriage provides.
What the heck? Bear. That was not nice.
The big palm tree? It's gonna be awesome.
Can't wait. Just don't even hear the house, right?
It's Sophie and her new toy. Which is life. Ma'am. Are you breadcrumbing yourself now? Pretty.
Bubba? Stop.